Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Rings and Things. These diamond cut 3mm Hubei turquoise beads are so gorgeous and they're inspiring me to make some beautiful bracelets. The color variation is cool and they're gonna go beautifully with these tiara cast mini hamsa hand charms. These make my heart sing as well. And I've got some seed beads. Now I'm using some 15-0 Toho bronze, antique bronze, and the 11-0s will work just fine as well. I've also got some bronze colored 19 strand beading wire. You can use gold. That would be a great alternative. So I'm cutting my wire from the package. I'm cutting about 8 inches because I'm going to be kind of working this design from the center. So I don't know yet how exactly those hamsa hands are going to work. I have an idea, but I want to make sure that my idea actually works while I'm putting the design together. But I am going to be doing 1 bead, 2 seed beads, 1 bead. That will be my beading pattern for this bracelet. So super easy. And then I'm going to start adding those hamsa charms, and they just string right onto your stringing wire because of the way their holes are oriented. The loops are oriented in such a way that they can just string right on. And what I found is I needed 3 seed beads in between the beads to give enough separation for them to move independently, and they look so cool. I love the combination of these with these varied color turquoise beads. So I'm just going to create my pattern on either side of that until I get the length that I want. And I'm using bead stoppers to make sure that I'm not losing my beads everywhere. I took great length to make sure that I chose all of the varied colors on both sides and sort of planned out which color I would choose next because I really wanted it to be a lovely turquoise pattern and show all the variety of the colors of turquoise. So I love how this looks. It's just so pretty, so lovely. So all I'm going to do is use a large jump ring and a lobster claw, and I'm going to crimp on with size 2 crimp tubes and a little bit of French wire. I'm going to crimp on the chunky jump ring, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with a lobster claw, and I've got a really beautiful bracelet. But you know what? I still have more of those turquoise beads, and they just make my heart sing. So I've also got this tiara cast lotus coin bead, and I think that's going to look really cool with my turquoise. And I am going to use a couple of spacer beads on either side of that coin bead because it's got large holes. So I'm just doing a pattern here of 3 seed beads, and that's how the pattern looks. I love how these came out. You can find everything to make these beautiful bracelets at ringsandthings.com. Thank you so much for watching.